The purl stitch is one of the basic stitches in knitting. After making a row of knit stitches, hold the needle with the loops in your left hand. Hold the plain needle in your right hand. Insert the needle into the first loop in this direction, which is opposite from the knit stitch. Wrap the yarn around the needle. Pull the yarn through the loop. Remove the loop. This counts as one purl stitch. Repeat. Insert the needle into the loop. Wrap the yarn around the needle. Pull the yarn through the loop. Remove the loop. This counts as the second purl stitch. Repeat. Insert the needle. Wrap the yarn. Pull through the loop. Continue with making the purl stitch for every loop. When you are ready for row 2, switch needles again and continue with either the knit or the purl stitch.